This is an emergency action notification requested by the United States government. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures for a national emergency. The President or his representative will shortly deliver a message to the public. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KPRC. We will continue to serve the Houston area. If you are not in the Houston area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Houston area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming will be discontinued during this emergency. This is KPRC. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Houston area. If you are not in the Houston area, tune out the stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly. Stand by. The following message has been given authorization for release at the request of myself, the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. It has been discovered that our planet is under attack at this time. At around 4:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, astronomers at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have detected several unidentified objects hovering over Earth's atmosphere. These objects have now started to invade several major countries across the world. It has now been discovered that these objects are indeed spacecrafts from an extraterrestrial origin. These spacecrafts have caused massive panic all across the entire planet. The United States, along with most of the planet, is under siege. It has also been observed that these aircrafts are also carrying unidentified entities that are exiting the aircraft and are traversing the land. These entities can be described by the following: black eyes, having scaly skin, standing around 7 feet tall, and communicate with loud knocks and whispering clicks. All attempts of diplomacy with these entities have all failed. It is predicted that these entities possess the following abilities: abnormal speed, will restore